Hibiscus House by F.studio arquitetura plus design in Botucatu, Brazil. On a 5,000 square meters plot of land located in the Demétria de Botucatu region, São Paulo SP, Brazil, the 420 square meters Casa Hibisco, Hibiscus House, stands out exuberantly through the undergrowth of the Cerrado of São Paulo and the Atlantic forest, bringing with it the history of resources found in the region and the concern about its impact on the environment in which it is inserted. The structural premise of the house is in the Aroeira, pepper tree, pillars, which come from the old building that existed on the site, a small residence whose structure and foundation were used as a starting point for the new home of Tatiana Antoni's residence, and the Salva Institute, an artist residency program founded by the client. Another technique used to enhance local resources were the three walls made of ramed earth, also present in the main residence, where the land in its composition comes from the region with the intention of starring the colors of the São Paulo Cerrado. The base for the three structural walls was made of cyclopean concrete from the reuse of bricks, from the demolition of the original house. The project is divided into two main parts, one of them being the owner and residence house, with a main leisure environment, with an elevated wooden deck, and the other two buildings representing the second structural language of the project, made of metallic structure in tones in burgundy red. You can find the rooms of the artistic residence and the studio completely equipped for the immersive experience of the artistic process for the institute, which were designed in this language so that they could be quickly built and easy to maintain, without causing too much impact for local biomes.